Tuning the D string, a guide to musical precision. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that might sound a bit niche at first, but it's incredibly relevant for musicians and music enthusiasts alike. We're going to explore tuning the D string. This phrase might seem straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack, and understanding it can really enhance your musical skills or simply deepen your appreciation for music. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the specifics of tuning the D string, it's crucial to grasp some basic concepts. Every stringed instrument, like the guitar, violin, or cello, has strings named after musical notes. The D string refers to the string that, when played open, without pressing it against a fret or fingerboard, produces a D note. Tuning is the process of adjusting the pitch that a musical instrument's string produces. The goal is to ensure that the string vibrates at the correct frequency to produce the intended note. For the D string, this means adjusting it so it resonates perfectly with the D note's standard pitch. Tuning isn't just about making a single string sound right, it's about harmony and cohesion within the music. An out-of-tune D string can disrupt chords, melodies, and the overall balance of a performance. It affects not only the player's sound but also how they blend with other instruments in a group setting. Moreover, regularly tuning your instrument, including the D string, helps develop your ear for music. You'll start to notice when something doesn't sound right, which is a critical skill for any musician. Tuning the D string, like tuning any string, requires a reference pitch and a method for adjusting the string's tension. Here's a simplified guide. 1. Find a reference pitch. You can use a tuning fork, another instrument, or an electronic tuner that can provide the exact pitch of D. 2. Compare the sounds, play the D string and your reference D note. Listen closely to whether the string sounds lower, flat, or higher, sharp, compared to the reference. 3. Adjust the string. If the D string is flat, tighten the tuning peg to increase tension and pitch. If it's sharp, loosen the peg to decrease tension and pitch. 4. Repeat. Play the D string again and compare it to the reference note. Adjust as necessary until they match perfectly. Here are some additional tips to ensure you're tuning your D string effectively. Be gentle. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Turn the tuning peg slowly and carefully. Use technology. Electronic tuners are incredibly accurate and can make the tuning process easier for beginners. Practice. The more you tune your instrument, the better your ear will get at recognizing when notes are off. Tuning the D string, or any string for that matter, is a fundamental skill that enhances your musicianship and the quality of your music. Whether you're just starting out or have been playing for years, taking the time to tune carefully can make all the difference in your performance. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to pay close attention to the details that elevate your music. Happy tuning, and see you in the next video.